Looking to keep your crypto safe in 2025? In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best cold crypto wallets of the year, designed to protect your Bitcoin, Ethereum, NFTs, and altcoins from hackers and online threats. Whether you're a beginner or a serious investor, these hardware wallets offer the highest levels of security, privacy, and offline protection. From Bluetooth-enabled convenience to ultra-secure air-gapped devices, we've handpicked the most trusted cold wallets based on expert reviews, real-world use, and supported coins. If you're holding crypto long-term, don't risk leaving it on exchanges. These wallets are your safest bet. So sit back as we break down the pros, cons, and special features of the best cold storage wallets in 2025. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite, and subscribe for more trusted tech and crypto product reviews. Number 5. OLED Titan 2.0. When it comes to rugged, tamper-proof security, the OLED Titan 2.0 is a true beast in 2025. This cold wallet is fully air-gapped and works solely through QR code signing, no USB ports, no Bluetooth, and no wireless risks. Its unbreakable metal build is IP65 rated, meaning it's dust-proof, water-resistant, and built to survive rough conditions. What's more impressive is its self-destruct feature that wipes data if tampering is detected. Supporting over 10,000 cryptocurrencies including NFTs and DeFi tokens, the Titan 2.0 pairs with the OLED app for intuitive mobile control without compromising security. With an EAL5 Plus secure element and robust firmware updates, it's an ideal solution for mobile-first investors, travelers, and high-net-worth holders. Everything about this wallet screams defense, from its design to its technology. If you want a fortress in your pocket that's fast, foolproof, and future-ready, the OLED Titan 2.0 is a heavyweight contender in today's evolving crypto landscape. Number 4. Keystone Pro. Keystone Pro brings next-level cold storage to crypto investors in 2025, combining elegant design with unmatched air-gapped security. What sets it apart? It features biometric fingerprint login, a 4-inch HD touchscreen, and completely QR code-based communication, meaning no Bluetooth, USB, NFC, or Wi-Fi. It's literally built for zero connectivity, so your private keys never risk exposure. Supporting PSBT, multi-sig, and popular wallets like MetaMask and Blue Wallet, Keystone Pro is a powerhouse for Bitcoin and altcoin holders alike. The open-source firmware adds an extra layer of trust, while its modular battery system and tamper-proof metal case give it true durability. Whether you're managing multiple accounts or securing high-value assets, this wallet keeps everything tightly locked down while offering premium usability. If security is your number one priority, and you like sleek, pro-grade gear, Keystone Pro is hands down one of the best hardware wallets you can own in 2025. It's built for crypto veterans, institutions, and anyone serious about ultimate cold wallet security. Number 3. SafePal S1. The SafePal S1 is the definition of security made affordable. Don't be fooled by its low price. This air-gapped cold wallet punches way above its weight in 2025. It supports over 10,000 digital assets including Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and countless altcoins and NFTs. What makes the SafePal S1 different is its fully air-gapped design. That means no USB, Bluetooth, or Wi-Fi, just QR code scanning to sign transactions, keeping your keys completely isolated from the internet. The device is compact, easy to use, and pairs smoothly with the SafePal mobile app. Plus, it's backed by Binance Labs, giving it real credibility in the crypto space. If you're looking for a wallet that provides top-level offline security without burning a hole in your pocket, the S1 is the ultimate entry point. Great for beginners and travelers alike, this wallet makes cold storage accessible without cutting corners. It's rugged, reliable, and ready to shield your digital wealth against any threat. Number 2. Trezor Model T. For crypto holders who value transparency, privacy, and open-source protection, the Trezor Model T is an unbeatable choice in 2025. This touchscreen-powered wallet brings you a seamless user experience while backing it up with ultra-secure features like passphrase protection and Shamir Backup. Built by the trusted folks at Satoshi Labs, it supports over 1,800 cryptocurrencies and integrates easily with Trezor Suite for desktop management. What makes it stand out? Its firmware is 100% open source, so you're never in the dark about how your keys are secured. The vibrant color screen simplifies navigation, while built-in 2FA, PIN protection, and recovery safeguards add powerful layers of defense. It's also one of the best wallets for integrating with privacy-focused tools like Wasabi Wallet and Electrum. If you're serious about long-term crypto safety and want complete control over your security, the Trezor Model T delivers freedom without compromise. A top-tier wallet for those who want to own, not just store, their crypto with complete peace of mind. Number 1. Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano X continues to dominate 2025 as the most versatile and trusted cold crypto wallet on the market. With support for over 5,500 coins and tokens, it's a powerhouse for both beginners and seasoned investors. Thanks to Bluetooth connectivity and the sleek Ledger Live app, you can manage your assets on the go while keeping them 100% offline. From staking to NFTs to DeFi apps, this wallet does it all, securely. It's powered by a certified secure element chip, CCEAL5+, ensuring your private keys never leave the device. The battery life is solid, the design is compact, and you can even manage multiple accounts at once. Whether you're trading or just holding for the long haul, the Nano X gives you full control with ease and style. If you're looking for elite crypto protection that blends mobility, functionality, and military-grade security, the Ledger Nano X should be at the top of your list this year. Cold storage has never been this smart, or this user-friendly. And there you have it, our picks for the top 5 best cold crypto wallets of 2025, each offering powerful offline protection for your digital assets. Whether you're securing Bitcoin, Ethereum, or NFTs, these wallets deliver top-tier security and peace of mind. Remember, keeping your crypto safe starts with choosing the right cold storage solution. All the products featured in this video are available in the description below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more informative and tech top best product reviews. Comment your favorite wallet and let us know what you're using. Thanks for watching Tech Facts.